Hello everyone, I am SVM team. My project is about creating a new capacity for evaluating capital intensive public infrastructure projects using objective social value performance instead of the prevalent cost benefit analysis alone. The way the current projects are being developed using the taxpayers funds, some of the highly successful business propositions have failed to win the market capitalization from community viewpoints. One key example is the East-West Link project, where due to an unprecedented community backlash, the project was cancelled and over $1 billion was spent as a kill fee just not to have the project. There are plenty of evidence of multi-billion dollar projects at our doorsteps where similar stories exist. While many of these projects are perhaps successful from economic perspectives, they failed in social capitalizations. The current Melbourne Metro project is also not an exception. There are groups of people who are either left out or never involved in any participatory discussions in the currency of the project. Hence, in my research, I sought the answer to this billion-dollar question. How can we ensure a complete integration of social value in the decision-making process? I developed a model simply to address this and save billions. Focusing on the big data analytics technique, social network analysis was employed to map the project-related issues with the people in the community. The project is then scrutinized in relation to the understanding, interest, impacts of every single person so that the social benefits can be measured objectively. In the current cost benefit analysis, benefits are highly subjective and cost changes all the time, and thus cost benefit analysis as a criteria is compromised. The network-based methodology is highly effective to understand the interconnectedness of different stakeholders and their collective influence in projects. The traditional Excel-based project development practice is no more effective in design and development of our 21st century's complex projects. This picture of a theater show is a classic metaphor of the consideration in my social value model, where not only the roles of the key members in the stage are considered important, but also the significance of the subordinate roles to drive the success is also equally important. During the TRAM program over last 8 weeks, I have had the opportunity to talk to over 15 key people in the industry to test the efficacy and validation of the model. The quoted statements validate the model as a need of the hour. The graph shows the conceptual representation of how the model works. The blue line depicts the social threshold of the project measured through rigorous consultation of the community at the concept stage of the project. The green line is the perceived social value presented by the project solution. The red line is the social value deterioration in the do-nothing scenario. So the target is to design and develop the project in such a way that the green line meets the blue line, and the gap between these two lines is the social value gap. Once such a quantification is realized, social value can be ensured, optimized, and trusted. Having done the interviews, I have identified the customers who will benefit from this model in 3 groups. Among the 3, the very first group will be a few local councils, followed by a few departments within the state government. I am currently actively looking for a few projects to continue testing the model. The model is ready. Data collection template is very simple and user-friendly, very easy to implement, and it is highly scalable. It provides high transparency and accountability in the project, and this is very inexpensive to implement. My contact details are provided. I'm Hemanto Doloy, an associate professor at the Faculty of Architecture, Building and Planning. Thanks to Andrew, Bonnie, and the TRAM team for providing me this opportunity. Thank you very much.